Good afternoon. My name is Antariksh Gogoi. My friend
And Bijoy Das.
and my we have made a waste segregation machine. The name of our machine is Green Salt Pro. So this machine separates waste into mainly three categories: metallic waste, biodegradable waste, and non-biodegradable waste. So when a metallic waste comes through this, here is a metallic sensor. So this sensor detects the metal, and this ice cream stick comes down, and this metal is diverted into this metal burning unit. So in this metal burning unit, we melt the metal at very high temperatures. After the metal is melted, we can make valuable things from that. And because we melt the metal, the smoke comes out through this chimney, and here we have installed a filter. So in this filter, we extract the carbon, and through the carbon, we make black ink, black color paint, etc. And after that, the biodegradable waste, because it's an biodegradable waste, the metal sensor doesn't detect it and it goes through, and this moisture sensor detects the biodegradable waste, and this ice cream stick comes down, and the biodegradable waste is diverted into this biogas chamber. So in this biogas chamber, we keep the biodegradable waste for several days. After that, we make compost from that and collect the biogas. After that, from this factory to this factory, a pipe is connected. Through this pipe, we transfer biogas, because for burning we need gas, so we take biogas from this factory.
And after that, the non-biodegradable waste comes to this way, and it comes to this furnace. In this furnace, we heat the non-biodegradable waste, and there will be a water tank. And the water tank is also heated, and the steam comes to this way and rotates this turbine, and again goes to this way, and it condenses and become cool, and it again comes to here. This is a cycle for getting electricity.
This is our primary source of electricity, and this is our secondary source of electricity. So then our project can be used for many industrial purposes also, and we can sell it in small sizes also for household uses. So then
And this is a one-time investment, and we don't have to pay it, and we have to don't pay any cost after installing it somewhere.
and it also reduces labor cost, because lot of labors are needed for sorting waste materials, but our machine can work automatically.
And in conclusion, I would like to say that this waste sorting machine is not to showcase its mechanic, but it plays a crucial role in our uh, circular economy. Thank you.